Education, Sir Popoy, to General Paredes, our very important partner in the development of Ifugao State University, the donor of 50 hectares of land in Santa Fe, the JETCAR officials, and other guests, faculty and staff. Again, good evening. These words from Corinthians or Colossians 3:17 reminds us that everything we do, every word we speak, every task we complete is an offering of service, done not just for ourselves, but for something greater. Tonight, we come together, not just as colleagues, but as a family, united in our shared passion for service, excellence, and dedication to Ifugao State University.
Ifugao State University's ranking of 174th globally and 25th in the Philippines in the 2024 World University Ranking, ranking from third in the ASA Award in individual category by the Civil Service Commission of Regional Office in its conduct of the 2024 search for the outstanding government work effort dedicated by the background of what is sustainable.
Award is given in recognition of their outstanding contribution.
Foundation Day celebrations are important because it gives the academic community a chance to recognize those who are doing outstanding work. Number two, it sends a signal to the others that you should also do what the others are doing. And third, it rallies people to have a sense of pride about their institution, because everything that you build in your awards, in the end, rebound to the benefit of the university, not just yourself. Let me offer a toast to everyone who is in public service, for everyone who is exercising the constitutional requirement that public office is a public trust. I say salute to all public officials, salute to all those who are making a difference in the lives of our students, our co-faculty members and administrators, and salute to public service.
Ako sa'yo, ikaw ay akin. Ganda mo sa paningin. Ako ngayon'y nag-iisa. Sana ay tabihan na.